How'd you like to send unlimited emails at the push of a button at a one-time fee? And you could do it all without ever writing a single email yourself or without ever having your own email list to begin with. Better yet, imagine if minutes from now you could have your very own autoresponder with built-in sending servers and dedicated IPs blasting your affiliate link to thousands in seconds. When you have an email list, you literally have access to push-button profits. Big marketers are cashing in thousands simply by sending an email. And the best part, you can now do the same. Look, email marketing quickly became a costly experience that's reserved for the elites. By charging prohibitive 3 to 4 figures yearly prices, only the so-called gurus have had the ability to quickly grow their lists and take advantage of this massively profitable system. With other major autoresponders, their cheapest plans start at $228 per year, and you can only store 500 subscribers. Today, we're changing all that from the ground up by offering a cost-effective solution with zero limitations and even more features, and easier to use than anything else on the market right now. Introducing ProfitList. It's the only cloud-based autoresponder out there that comes with built-in SMTP servers and dedicated IPs for a low one-time fee. Can be set up in under 2 minutes, working from both desktop and mobile, and will allow you to send thousands of emails completely free. What sets ProfitList apart is that it's not just another autoresponder. No, with ProfitList, you're actually getting done-for-you leads you can upload, clean, and mail straight away, with a revolutionary new AI system that writes emails for you. That's right, let the AI do all the work for you. Just log in, insert your affiliate link, and watch it do its magic. AI writes the emails for you. AI comes up with creative subject lines and automatically split tests for you. AI finds leads for you. AI schedules and sends emails for you via SMTP servers. What's the AI, you're asking? You get to pick. That's right, one email dashboard, all paid AIs included. ChatGPT, Gemini Pro, DALL-E 3, Leonardo AI, Copilot Pro, Meta Llama 3, Stable Diffusion, and Palm 2 with 0 monthly fees. Create world-class email content and even graphics and images. Not just that, ProfitList will allow you to upload a list of subscribers straight into the app, with no double opt-in or verification required. Mail your list as often as you'd like, build your list with our built-in opt-in forms, and enjoy no downtime. So you can finally say goodbye to expensive autoresponders with monthly fees that provide subpar service and can even close down your account anytime they want to. You can even send unlimited SMS texts or Instagram messages to reach your audience in fresh new ways, all from the same interface. Plus, we have our own sending servers and SMTP dedicated IPs already pre-configured and working seamlessly for you. And you're all set. Email your list as often as you'd like, completely free forever. How cool is that? You get all the features of a regular autoresponder without any of the restrictions. With ProfitList, you're in full control, with 0 monthly fees, unrestricted importing, and a market-friendly interface. And with built-in SMTP and dedicated IPs, plus the capability to send unlimited SMS texts and Instagram messages, there's literally no other app quite like ProfitList out there. The best part? You never have to write a single email or subject line yourself, and never have to collect a single email lead. Our AI does it all for you. It's even in our name. So, don't wait any longer and click the buy button below to get access to ProfitList during the early bird launch that includes a massive $100 discount. You get our platform with lifetime access. We're excited to step into this new era of email marketing together. Welcome to ProfitList.